Armistice Day, Sacred Cadu, Razzo, Big Jamesy. In goes a Crackles Appeal, Prairie Kachina, Miss Valicette and Little Rascal. Not getting any better out here either. Rain just very consistent. Set or persistent. And racing, getting away middle of the pack here. Sacred Canu, Prairie Kachina shows up and out biter. There we go to Little Rascal trying to kick round there as Big Razzo. Bit of trouble in behind. 1 or 2 get checked out. Big Jamesy, Miss Valicette and Little Rascal got knocked off its feet. They swing for home and Crackles Appeal might find the rail out biter there. Razzo stretches. Crackles Appeal, Razzo. And then we go the way here of Armistice Day, followed there by Prairie Kachina. Further back would have been Sacred Canu, followed back there by Miss Valicette. And towards the tail of the field there, Big Jamesy, Little Rascal was back there as well. Number 2, Crackles Appeal. We'll get home here, and a nice one too from the draw of 2, and that's helped a lot for her today. 251. What's happens here going into the first bend? There was a bit of trouble. Razzo zips around the outside. Something's just been clipped. It was the 8 Little Rascal. Might have been looking for a gap that wasn't there. 2514, 18 and 56, 456 that first split. It has got up to score half, 3/4. There 14 flat was the run and 456 that first split. Here they are. Just keep an eye on the pink here. It was going up to vie for the lead, wasn't it, Little Rascal? And going there now as we come into the bend, just come off the back of the 4s, just taking its line, and that was the end. There's not a lot of it, as we said prior, 22 and a bit kilos, so she can't take too many knocks. 3/4 by 3.5 lengths. And a nice one here too, number 2 Crackles Appeal, and nice odds in the end too, 18 and 56.